Today in this video, I'll tell you the easiest way to fix this disappeared of mouse cursor problem. So let's get started. And I also understand your situation that you are not able to use the mouse. So I'll be using my keyboard and I'll be guiding you through the same. Okay, so let's get started. So on your keyboard, press Window and R. And the moment you will do it, you will see a run window. And here we need to type dev mgmt.msc. Once you do that, hit enter. A new window will appear like Device Manager. Just press the Tab key and with the help of down arrow key on keyboard, go to Mice and Other Pointing Devices. Now here, we need to press the right arrow key. So earlier we pressed down arrow key and now we are pressing the right arrow key. So the moment I do it, I get the options of Mice and Other Pointing Devices. So I'll select my mouse cursor, which is usually for Windows 10 HID compliant mouse for everyone. So I'll select the last one and I hit enter. The moment I hit enter, I need to press the tab key again to select the general tab. The moment I'll select the general tab, I can press the right arrow key to select the driver tab. And then again I'll keep on pressing the tab key to go to uninstall device. And then I'll press enter. And I'll click on uninstall by pressing enter. So the moment I do it, the driver has been removed. Now what I'll do, I'll press the Alt key and the very top, the file menu is already selected. Now with the help of arrow key, the right arrow key, I'll select the action and hit enter. And then with the help of down arrow key, I'll select the scan for hardware changes and hit enter. It will start scanning for the device and the driver will be installed and it will fix your problem. The cursor will appear back. And if it doesn't fix your problem, then we will move to the next step. For that, we need to select the mouse driver again and hit enter. And then press the tab key to select the general menu. And then the right arrow key on a keyboard. And then again I'll keep on pressing the tab key to go to disable device. And then I'll press enter. And with the help of tab, I'll say yes. So this will actually disable my mouse. And I'll press enter again. And it will enable it again. So it will fix your problem. The mouse cursor will appear back. And if it doesn't, we will move to the third step. And the third step is we need to go to the update driver section. So with the help of tab key, I'll go to update driver and hit enter. And then again I'll press enter to search automatically for drivers. And if it shows the best driver is already installed, then I'll press the enter again to select the Windows update here. Alright, so make sure you just select this search for updated drivers on Windows Update. You can do that. And it will take another 2 to 5 minutes to update the drivers of your mouse. If it doesn't fix your problem, then we'll move to the fourth step, which is again in the update driver. So we will hit enter. And this time we will select the browse my computer for drivers with the down arrow key. Now I'll hit enter. And I'll select let me pick. So this is actually a rollback. So let's say if you have accidentally updated or something happened to your machine and it got corrupted and I need to roll back my driver because my cursor is not working. So I'll select this option. Let me pick from a list of available drivers. So I'll hit enter again. Now HID compliant mouse, the bottom one is already selected. So I'll press the tab and I'll select the top one with the help of arrow key, the upper arrow key. And then I'll press tab again to select the next. Once the next is selected, I'll just click on next. I'll hit enter and the rollback of your driver will be done. And most probably it will fix your problem. But if it doesn't, we will move to the fifth step. So the fifth step is actually a last step, which we are going to do is you need to press the Window and R key. Okay, and if you have Chrome installed in your machine, then just type Chrome, C-H-R-O-M-E. In the whole troubleshooting process, I have not used my mouse, just for you guys. So I'm doing everything from the keyboard itself. So once you type Chrome, hit enter and Chrome will open. But let's say if you guys don't have the Chrome installed in your machine, then we need to type Microsoft -Edge : so there is no space between Microsoft and Edge. So Microsoft, then hyphen, then Edge, and then semicolon, and then you need to press enter, and the Edge browser will be opened. Edge browser is a Windows 10 inbuilt browser, so it will definitely gonna open. Now here you need to type Windows 10 mouse driver and then hit enter and scroll it down and look for the Microsoft website. So I have found the Microsoft website. With the help of arrow key, I'll be selecting, with the help of tab, I'll be selecting all these options. So I am going to select the Microsoft website from here, and I can press Shift and Tab to go back, and here I just have to press enter. So it will open up the Microsoft support website, and I'll just click on down arrow key with the help of keyboard and select the tab again. So I'll select the 64 version because most of us have 64-bit computer. In 99% cases, we found that 64-bit version is used by most of the users because 32-bit is already obsolete. So we need to select and then hit enter. It will automatically download a file, a .exe executable file. Just press Ctrl and J, and either you can, with the help of the tab key, you can open and install this application. Alright, so if it worked for you, please do subscribe my channel.